How to build your brand with AI. In today's world, your brand is more powerful than your resume. And with AI, building it has never been faster, smarter, or more impactful. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or professional, your digital presence matters. AI tools can help you write, design, speak, and grow like a brand. In this video, I'll show you how to build a strong personal brand with the power of AI. 7 steps to build your brand using AI. Define your brand identity. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to brainstorm your mission, values, and niche strengths and what makes you unique. Prompt idea. Create a personal brand mission statement based on my skills in X and goals in Y. Craft a powerful bio and elevator pitch. Use AI to write a compelling one-liner for social media, short bio for LinkedIn/website, longer story for about me pages. AI tool, ChatGPT, copy.ai. Design your brand look and feel. Use Canva plus AI Magic Design to create a logo. Choose your brand color palette. Design social media templates. AI tools, Canva AI, Lookover, Chroma for colors. Create high-value content consistently. AI helps you generate content ideas, write blog posts, captions, and scripts, summarize articles, repurpose content tools, ChatGPT, Jasper, Notion AI content tip. Focus on educating, inspiring, or solving problems for your audience. Launch AI-enhanced video and audio content. Use AI to write YouTube scripts, create TikTok hooks, generate voiceovers or subtitles. Tools, Descript, Synthesia, Pictory, 11 Labs tip. Be you. AI supports you, not replaces you. Grow and analyze your audience with AI. Use AI analytics to track engagement, understand what content works, predict trends. Tools, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Metricool, Social BAI. Automate and scale your brand. Use AI for social media scheduling, email campaigns, chatbots, or customer replies. Tools, Buffer, MailChimp AI, ManyChat, Zapier plus AI integrations. Bonus tip, use AI to practice and improve soft skills. Practice communication, confidence, and interviews with AI role-plays. Tools, ChatGPT, simulate job interviews or speeches, Udly AI. AI isn't just a tech tool, it's your personal branding assistant. Use it to amplify your story, your strengths, and your message. Start small, stay consistent, and let your brand evolve with you. Thanks for gaining knowledge with me on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching, Habib.